Hey there, this is Justin from thecarflip.com, and I'm going to show you how to clean the carpet in your car using some stuff you might actually already have under your kitchen sink right now. One of my favorite cleaning products for cleaning carpets and vehicles is 409 carpet formula. So this is going to actually foam up for us. Got a little nozzle here we'll be spraying in there. We're also going to be using a little carpet brush such as this, and of course paper towel. So I'm going to let you see the carpet right now. This is not going to look incredibly dirty, but I wanted to show you this. You'll see some in here, some areas that are dirty. This is actually after we've put our hot water extractor on. It's steam clean type cleaner, $1,500 system. I'm gonna come behind it with our 409 carpet cleaner, and I'm gonna show you what we take out of it. So our main process is gonna be to spray the affected area, which for me, I'm only gonna do this one side. Your best bet with most of these type products is to go by their directions. It actually says to let it sit for 3 minutes and absorb. After that 3 minutes, we're gonna come behind with our brush, we're gonna scrub it, and then we're gonna extract it using our paper towel. So we're gonna take a quick break here. We're gonna let the 3 minutes pass. We're gonna come back and scrub and then extract. So our 3 minutes has passed. I'm back here with my handheld brush. Now we're just gonna simply scrub. Now it's very important that we do this while the carpet's still wet. If your carpet cleaner dries, you're gonna need to reapply because it's not gonna do you any good. So we're scrubbing just to loosen up any potential stain that may be in the carpet. Sometimes it'll take multiple applications of this, so you might have to do this 2 or 3 times to get everything out. But that should be enough for now. I'm then taking my paper towel. Oop, I'm gonna throw it on the floor apparently. I'm gonna tear that, fold it over, and what is in the carpet is going to come out onto our paper towel. So as I go back and forth, when I turn this over, that's what's in our carpet. The worse the stain, the more you're going to see. So it seemed like there was more stain up close to the plastic. So as I am doing this, up close to the plastic, you can see I'm drawing out a lot of gunk. This carpet was not the dirtiest to begin with, so I'm not getting gobs and gobs of stuff out. But it's dark, I'm getting out some type of dirt. So we're gonna do this. Now right now, as I'm touching it, it's pretty dry, so I would need to apply again. So it's gonna be the same thing again. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna spray it in. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Not as long this time because it's already been soaked. If you wanted, because it's already gone, and we're gonna do this for video's sake, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub right away. We'll then take our paper towels again, scrub, and again, everything we see on our paper towel is stuff we've extracted. When you begin to see it look like this, that means you're not drawing out as much, which means you're done. You've done the best you can. Again, we started out scrubbing carpet that already had been steam cleaned, but as this shows you, our steam cleaner didn't get everything. We had some dirt that was still in there. So this is gonna scrub. The great thing about the 409 as opposed to some of the other carpet cleaners that I've used in a spray can is that it has a great smell. Some of them have a weird, I don't know, chemical type smell. This particular one, which you can buy online, we'll put a link to Amazon. You can buy it at Wal-Mart. It has a great smell, which actually helps sell your vehicle. So that is, in a nutshell, how I clean carpet when I'm not using an extractor. If I just need to do a little spot, I'll use something like this. Now this would be great for you if you don't want to go spend $2,500. We spent $1,500 on our extractor. This is a great product. It's not that expensive. You have paper towels. You probably already have a brush. Just take it outside. You can use this on upholstery. You can use this on your seats if they're not leather. You know, it's not gonna do much on leather, but for upholstery or upholstered seats, these do great. Also take it inside, do whatever you want to on any type of fabric, but this is great for cleaning your carpet.